everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to be explaining how to use OBS for whatever you want to do. So OBS quickly is a recording and streaming software which many pro streamers and YouTubers use to record their videos and stream on Twitch or any other service. So first up, you're going to want to download OBS Studio from this website. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. And then you're gonna come into OBS, which is gonna look something like this. And once you're in OBS, I'm gonna explain like stuff really quickly on OBS. So this is gonna be the first episode in a series of like 4-minute explanation videos, which if you follow the series at the end, you'll be a pro OBS recorder or streamer. You'll get to know OBS a lot better. So first up, we got scenes. So this is just general stuff. You don't need to know a lot about scenes, but sources. This is a very important part. So sources is like this tab where you can add in different source from which you can record your video or audio. So you can add in your audio source, which in my case is my mic, and you can add in your video source, which is my webcam. You can add in your display, which is your display, obviously. So here I'm using my display. And then you can also add files. So if you're streaming to some place, if you're streaming on Twitch, you need to have an intro in the beginning, right? So you can add in an intro as well. So that will look something like that. So you can add in like a photo or a video in the beginning and stuff like that to sources. So in the beginning, you won't have any sources. So in the beginning, you're just going to want to click here, create a scene, which is just that, and that is going to be your scene. After that, you're going to want to go over to sources, and you're going to see that I've had 4 sources here, so I don't really need all 4 of them, so I'm going to remove one. So I need 3 sources most of the time, because I'm using an external mic right now. So first up, we got the video capture device, which it can be your camera or your webcam, whatever you're recording on. I'm using my webcam, so it automatically detects my webcam. So in order to add a video capture device, you're just going to click on the plus icon and search video capture device. As soon as you click on that, you're going to get an option, and you're going to click on OK. And then you're going to get your device. So if you haven't connected your webcam yet, that means you won't get in there. So once you connected your webcam, you'll automatically get that option there. After that, you've got your audio input capture, which is your mic. It's the same process. You click on plus, you go to audio input capture, you find your mic, you add it. Display capture, same thing. It's just a way to say that it's your display. So go over here, display capture, it automatically recognizes which display you want because you have your display, it records. So if you have, and yeah, then you've got the audio mixer, which is just simple stuff. If you're using a lot of like mics, you're gonna wanna check over the audio mixer, but I'm pretty sure most of the people have only one mic, and so they'll only have 2 options, which is desktop audio and audio input capture. Then controls, very simple. You're going to click on start recording to start recording, start streaming to start streaming, and I don't know why you want to know what start recording does. So you're going to obviously click on start recording, and it's going to start recording. And studio mode, it's just this mode. I don't really like that much. But if you know what studio mode is, just comment down below. Then you've got settings and exit. So you don't need to know about settings right now, but if you really want to be that pro dude who uses OBS and knows everything about OBS, you're going to want to subscribe so that my next video, which is again going to be on OBS and explaining a little bit more detail on OBS video, so how to record better video on OBS, you're gonna want to subscribe. But one more tip, you're gonna So now that you know what start recording does, it starts recording. You're gonna wanna make sure your files are in the proper format. So if you use like a video editor, your video editor will notice that it's a file it can recognize. So OBS automatically exports your files as M4V, and you don't want that if you're not editing your videos. So if you have any M4V files, you want it as an MP4 file, you're gonna click on File, then click on Remux Recordings, then you're gonna click here, and as soon as you click there, you're gonna find your files, which is saved in a location you can set in the beginning, and you can just click on whatever file you want, like that, click on Open, and then and at the end you're gonna want to check this, that it's at MP4, it's showing MP4 and it's target file, and then you're gonna want to click on Remux, and once it remuxes, you're gonna see that file, and it's gonna be a different file, but it's gonna be in the MP4 format. So that's one really great tip I can offer. So if you have any other doubts, you can leave them in the comment section. Once again, you have not yet started, you just started OBS, so you haven't gotten the best recording quality. And I know that your first recordings are gonna be the worst, but if you want more tips on how to make your recordings look better on OBS, leave them in the comments. And I'm also gonna be making a few more videos, so I have a few more tips to give you on OBS. So subscribe so that you can get these tips on your subscribe feed. And yeah, that's OBS, just a beginner's look and tutorial into OBS. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something. Peace.